Bluebird flew across the sky, spotted a pearl, oh my, a shiny gem, round and bright, gleaming softly in the sunlight light. He chirped aloud, what a prize, I'll show the pink bird, she'll be surprised. The pink bird gasped, it's big and rare, but where, oh where shall we keep it with care? We'll build a nest, sturdy and wide, a place where the pearl can safely hide. Let's gather sticks, let's gather leaves, let's weave them tight like nature's sleeves. So off they went, the blue and the pink, searching the forest quick as a blink. They found soft flowers, petals so sweet, and sturdy twigs to make it complete. With every chirp, with every tweet, the nest grew large, the work was neat. They placed the pearl in the center snug, safe and sound like a cozy hug. Now it's home, this treasure so fine, in our big nest it will always shine. The bluebird chirped, the pink bird smiled, their teamwork had made their hearts run wild. And so they sang a song of cheer, their pearl was safe, they had no fear. The blue and pink, a perfect pair, built a nest with love and care. But then the wind began to blow and shook their nest high and low. Oh no, they cried, our pearl might fall. We must make it stronger after all. The pink bird flew to fetch some vines. The bluebird searched for sturdy pines. They twisted and turned, they tied it tight. They worked all day till the stars lit the night. Morning came with golden rays. The pearl still shone in its cozy place. The birds sang songs of triumph and cheer. Their teamwork had conquered every fear. Yet as they sang, a thought arose. Should we keep the pearl? Who knows? What if it belongs to someone dear, searching for it far and near? The bluebird said we must be kind. Let's ask the forest, see what we find. The pink bird nodded, her heart was light, for sharing the pearl just felt so right. They called the animals big and small to the forest clearing, one and all. A wise old owl flew down to see, what is this meeting, what could it be? The bluebird chirped, we found a pearl, the most precious gem in all the world. But if it's lost or someone's prize, we'll gladly return it, it's only wise. The owl looked close, then hooted loud. This pearl belongs to the ocean's crowd, a gift from the waves it washed ashore. Return it, and blessings will come for sure. So off they flew, the pink and blue, to the ocean's edge with skies so blue. They placed the pearl on the sandy shore and watched as the waves took it back once more. ocean sparkled, the breeze was sweet, the birds felt proud, their hearts complete. For kindness and care they came to learn, bring joy to all and love in return. Now in the forest they're known by all, the blue and pink who answered the call. Their nest still stands, sturdy and wide, a symbol of teamwork and hearts full of pride. The ocean sparkled, the breeze was sweet, the birds felt proud, their hearts complete. For kindness and care they came to learn, bring joy to all and love in return. Now in the forest they're known by all, the blue and pink who answer the call. Their nest still stands, sturdy and wide, a symbol of teamwork